Hi all, this is a 8 GB memory of Samsung for laptop, and as you can see it has a lot of corrosion. God knows how it gets to this card, but after inspecting all other parts everything looks okay beside the two chips on the left side, and also the other side look okay. And I wonder if I can fix it. Another thing that I noticed is that when I am testing this capacitor, you will see it right away, there is a short. I wonder, you see there is a short on this capacitor, which this is the reason why this laptop doesn't wake up when the memory is inside. But first I want to try to disassemble these two memory chips. You will see on the side a lot of corrosion here. These are really tiny chips, you see here all around. So I wonder if I can disassemble these two chips and then try to resolder them and connect, of course clean all the corrosion, maybe replace some capacitors and then fix it. So let's try to do it. So first thing is, of course, to apply some flux to all this area, then it will be easier to remove the parts. Hopefully I will not remove all the capacitor on the side. This is a very tiny chip. Look at my finger compared to this board. So I will try to remove these two DDR chips. And again, I've never done this. This is the first time I'm trying such a thing. Let's see what will come up. Worst case, it will go to garbage. This is the old risk. Okay, so I did put hot air on 800 degrees, 430 degrees, and now I'm heating. I have the sticker of course. Well, maybe I should remove the sticker before starting it. Never mind. Enter. Okay. Wow. A lot of mess. Of course we will clean it and then we'll try to see about the capacitor and see about the chips themselves, if I will be able to resolder them. So first part is okay.